Hi kindergarten, and welcome to our writing time. So today in writing we're going to be working on a page that looks like this, and it's called Scrambled Sentences. So what it's telling you to do is it says trace the sentence below. So what I want you to do is whenever we see these dotted lines, that's telling us to do our tracing. So I want you to trace this sentence. Then it says cut, unscramble, and glue the sentence correctly in the box and write it in your neatest handwriting on the writing lines. So what it wants you to do is it wants you to cut it out. So where these dotted lines are, it wants you to cut it out and then put it in the right order. Now it's gonna match our top sentence. And then when you've done that, you're gonna write it down in your best handwriting 2 times. 2 times I want you to write the sentence. Now, what is going to help us with this writing and unscrambling our sentence is looking for the word that has an uppercase letter. Now remember, the first letter of a sentence always has an uppercase letter. It means it has our big letter. So our capital letter right here, this L, and all of the other ones are lowercase. So that tells us that that's the first word in the sentence when the first letter, so the letter L in the word look, is capital. So you want to find that capital letter in here, and that's going to be your first one. Now your other hint is going to be at the end of your sentence. You always have what? What do we have at the end of a sentence? We have a period. So this dot right here. You always are going to have a period at the end of sentences because that tells the reader that your sentence is over. And then you're going to start a new sentence. And so we're going to have this period at the end. So that word is going to go at the end because it has a period to say the end of our sentence. So you're going to figure out the sentence, make sure it makes sense. These are all sight words except for this word, which is the word vet. So these are all sight words, so we know them. And I want you to glue them in this box up here in the right order. Now make sure your sentence makes sense. It shouldn't sound funny when you try to read it back to yourself. And then I want you writing it. So exactly how you see it written here. Make sure you have your uppercase letter for the first letter of the sentence. Make sure you have your finger spaces. So that means your finger can fit in between all of the words. So if I'm looking up here, my finger fits between every single word. They are not squished together super close. And then make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence. Those are the 3 big things we are looking for. So use your best handwriting, do your best, and have fun with this, guys.